everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay guys, so if you're new here, you are most highly welcome guys. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you moringa seed. Have you actually used moringa seed before? Now moringa is a healthy leaf that works so much for the body. Like, trust me guys, if you are an African, you should know that. Yeah. Okay, so this is what I'm going to be using it for. I'm going to be using it to show you how you can make a tea out of it to remove all of those stubborn fats, to clear your colon, and also to, clear your intestine. Like, you pooped out all of those stuff and then you get lighter, okay, and you get more beautiful, because it's equally going to help to brighten up your skin and make your skin glow. So if you want to know what it is all about, do continue watching, and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and let me take you right into the video. Okay guys, so you know what this is? This is moringa seed, and this is what we're going to be using for our belly fat remedy. You can Google this out. This is a very healthy remedy guys. It helps so much for the skin, and it also helps for the hair, and trust me, this actually heals a whole lot of sickness. Okay, so what we're going to do is to open it up and then grab the seed out. This one is not dry, so we only use the dry one, so you don't use the fresh one. So you grab the seed out just like that. Then what you do is that you beat the seed, like the inner part of it will come out. So we're going to be needing a pot to do this. So we're going to be putting it inside the pot as we beat it. So you beat it like that way, and then you put it inside the pot. And the reason why we're beating it that way is so that we can actually drink all of the full benefits of this moringa seed. So after that is done, we're going to be putting garlic, and you're going to be putting some few garlic cloves. I'm going to be transferring that into a bowl. And then also you're going to be needing the moringa leaf itself. This is actually one great ingredient that helps so much in removing belly fat. So how I'm going to be doing that, I'm going to be fetching water so that we can actually sanitize and wash it really great. Okay, since I just plug it in my backyard area, I'm gonna be getting this so I can remove it one by one. And then wash it. Okay, so this is how it is, and now we're going to be washing it. Alright guys, so moringa seed as well as the moringa leaf itself is an almighty remedy that actually helps so much to remove all kinds of illness. So I'm going to be putting in water, just about 2 glasses of water. That will be enough for this. And we're going to be adding a little bit of onion. Now the onion is going to serve as a flavor, yeah, for this belly fat drink. Okay. So I'm going to be cutting it. And now let's take it to the fire. Okay guys, so you're going to be boiling this for about 10 minutes, sorry, 5 minutes to 10 minutes thereabout. Okay, when it finishes boiling, then I'm going to be right back to show you how this is going to be. Okay guys, so it's been boiling for like 5 minutes, and I offed it and kept it for it to cool down so that we can be able to, you know, touch and drink. So I'm going to be turning it into this cup. All right, so you sieve this out, and then let me have a take, because I always love to take moringa tea like this. It is really good. Now for this particular one, if you're actually breastfeeding like me, you can actually take it. Okay, let me have a taste. And this is nice, but it's actually tasteless. Like, that is how it is. It's usually very tasteless, but it does a whole lot of miracle. So if you drink this in the evening and then you take less of a carbohydrate food, you're going to be loving the way it is. Yeah, this is how it is, and it's actually really nice, and it does all of the magic. You remove your back fat and your belly fat, and go try it out. And for this particular one, you can actually store it, and anytime you want to make it, you just put a little bit of onion, you know, to give you that flavor, and then you take it. It's just normal, it's just like food. Okay, and it's great, and it's great for many illnesses. Okay, you can check that up on Google, and you're gonna be loving it, guys. So go try it. And okay guys, so that's it. That's the moringa seed. That is just a very simple process on how to, you know, get your moringa tea, yeah, and get an healthy and a very great physique. Now when you're taking this tea, you have to avoid some sugary stuff and some soda, yeah. Okay, so if you do love this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and share the video. Okay guys, so I'll see you soon in my next video, and stay flawless, and bye guys.